Petya. Say hi.
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 Nico, say hi. Aw. We're going to Costco real quick. Say Costco. Say Costco.
Cocky. Cocky.
You can say your vlog. No.
Aww.
You can say vlogging.
Show. What do we get, baby?
Huh?
What are we getting?
Bunnies.
It's like a chocolate egg.
Come on, give Costco some free advertising.
We
Nico.
go open it. Ma, we go open it.
In the car.
I have a dozen chocolates for only $6.
We got fruits and chips and
Bacon turkey.
uh,
There's not about bacon turkey.
Bee-bow. 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 It's actually a hot day.
You should.
Where are we going?
To the beach.
Beach, Peter?
Beach.
Yeah, he's got chocolate all over him.
You're like Mother Teresa.
Why?
Hi,
Hi, baby.
Hi, guys.
We're going.
Where are you? No, you tell me. Where are we going?
Beach.
Yeah, and we're almost here. I don't even know how long we've been driving actually, but it feels like it's been a long time, huh?
Yeah. In traffic.
There's a lot of traffic. Like a lot for some reason. It's like
here.
it was like 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a Wednesday.
I think we drove for 2 hours.
Yeah, we've been driving for like 2 hours, which is annoying.
Hi, Mom.
In Florida, we could just drive 15 minutes.
In Florida, there's nowhere to drive to.
Oh yeah. What do you mean?
Where are you gonna drive? There's
To the
nothing
beach.
There's nothing to do. Oh, the beach.
Ain't
Florida
nothing to do out
is
here.
Florida is the beach.
There ain't nothing to do out here.
Florida is a beach.
Yeah.
It's one big beach full of alligators and old
Are we
people
here the beach?
And drug people.
and child molesters.
And child molesters and child abusers and child murderers.
Florida's awesome.
No. Okay, we're just paying for parking. That is. Peter. Hi.
Hi, Dada.
Alright, I'm gonna go put this thing on the car, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Peter's eating grapes. Oh my gosh, he's eating a lot. You ready, baby?
Yeah. Ouch.
Like 5:30.
Okay. Peter's sliding down the hill. It's like at the bottom base. I don't know why he's doing that still.
Fun.
You? It's nice because this time I could just chill as opposed to last time when I was out there playing. I'm glad I don't have to play because I hate the beach. Ugh. I'm making a sandcastle, but it really, really sucks. It's not as easy as in the movies. It's really not. And it looks so stupid out here. I think I'm gonna go down and play now. I think the water is cold. Stupid sandcastle. I'm probably gonna step on it because it's embarrassing. Oh my god. So ugly. I got like a boat going and a little bridge.
more fat, so he'll float better. You know what I mean, Asa? Asa,
Yeah.
Peter will float better when he's younger. So I don't know which one to say. Hey, we should probably go. Peter's just eating. Like always. Vamos a pedir paisa. Asa, you're an adult. Asa, Peter can stand there. Peter's fine, and you're an adult. Stop yelling like Nico. Look, Nico's further in than you. I know, it's so loud.
Oh, pretty rock. I got these shells.
She is eating.
These shells.
Well, Mama's collecting shells and making sandcastles.
Horrible. Horrible sandcastle.
Still.
You have pockets? Yeah!
Mama's using Daddy's pockets like always.
Shells. Yay! I can't find them up.
Asa, relax.
It's scary.
It's not, it's water. Asa, are you okay?
Don't do that. Don't look for running.
I know, you almost knocked me over.
I'm scared.
You know Nico's going in further than you, right?
Scary because there's no one running it.
I like how he's still holding the banana.
I felt something.
Like what? A rock?
I don't know. See,
Sand? Seaweed? There's like so many things you can feel that aren't scary in the beach.
if you don't see that, if you don't see it, then you feel it's scary.
There's like literally only a couple things you should be actually scared of at the beach.
Dying?
Here's Nico.
But this time we're gonna go. Hold on. We didn't play that long this time. 'Cause it's kind of cold for some reason, even though it's hot. Cause now it's hot again.
The water's cold.
The water's really cold. Here, careful, don't hit Peter. We're gonna go. Oh yeah, we're gonna go across the thing into the pier and just kind of chill there
On the ride.
on like the ride, arcade and stuff.
Right, Nico?
It's kind of cold and uncomfortable. We all know I hate the beach. Yeah, I hate the beach with a passion. And I was over there, I was trying to make a sandcastle and it didn't turn out good. So I was just pissed. I was mad. Yeah, I was pouting. Okay, now we're walking around. We're all changed and everything. But it's like, it looks like it's like gonna rain or something.
It actually does.
And at first, like when Nico asked if it was gonna rain, I was like, no. And then I thought, wait a minute, actually it might. Oh, it felt warm right there. Anyway, so now we're walking around. I feel kind of bad, but oh, hi.
We're walking around for a bit.
Oh, he said we're walking around for a little bit.
Aw. Hey, Asa.
Huh.
See where it says?
Okay, we're walking to the pier. We found out it's like a mile from where we parked, so now I'm just pulling them immediately. Went back to go put more money in the parking meters and take longer to get there. So we're just gonna add more money just so we can spend more time there. So now we're just gonna catch up. There was a dog, and we were asking the guy where everything was, and a dog came. And Nico screamed, he was so scared. But Peter was like, yay, doggy, and trying to feed him. Did you see a woof woof? Is that a woof woof, Peter? Anyways, so now we have a mile to walk. It's a good thing I'm somewhat in shape where I would probably not be able to do it. Well, while pulling them, I mean, walking a mile isn't bad no matter what, but. Okay. Are we on the Ferris wheel? Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Uh-oh, here we go. It's fast. This thing is fast.
How are you always better at stuff than me?
Go, go.
Ego.
Hey, I'm in first place. Second place, you got fourth, you lost. Second, I got second out of fourth, and you got fourth.
You still lost. No,
Good
I
job,
got.
Peter. High five.
She's lying. I got first.
Do you hear that noise?
Yeah.
Go check it out. Mom, just go check it out.
Cotton candy, popsicles,
Mom,
Ice
go
cream.
check it out.
caramel apples.
Ew, I don't like it.
It's yummy.
No.
We also got glasses
Mom.
and little mugs, huh?
No, Kirby, wait. Wait. Wait, you hear that sound?
Yep.
It's like, dun. It's like, dun, like this. Well, Mom, better go check it out. You go check it out.
Okay, we're back in Mobile.
Babies are sleeping, I think.
Babies are sleeping. It was icky.
We talked for a whole.
Nico, say hi.
Hi.
Peter, hi. Peter. Peter, say hi.